Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Duolingo. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Duolingo and we click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.